Greetings, fellow tech experts. We're back to share our knowledge about data silos, unveiling the hidden dangers of neglecting digital data with you today. Join us as we uncover its intricacies in today's discussion. In today's data-driven world, information holds the key to success. However, a significant number of organizations find themselves grappling with a critical challenge: data silos. These isolated repositories of information, if left unaddressed, not only hinder valuable insights but also expose businesses to substantial risks. What are data silos? Data silos emerge when various teams, departments, or systems hoard data, restricting its flow and accessibility across the organization. This fragmentation leads to inconsistencies, duplications, and gaps in the information landscape. Without a comprehensive perspective, identifying essential patterns and opportunities becomes an uphill battle, and critical business decisions are made based on a skewed subset of data. What are the far-reaching perils of data silos? 1. Poor customer experiences. In an era where customers demand seamless and personalized interactions, data silos serve as a major roadblock. These disconnected data repositories make it nearly impossible to provide consistent experiences across different channels. The result? Frustrated customers and a decline in customer loyalty, as organizations struggle to meet evolving expectations. 2. Security vulnerabilities. Data security becomes a complex puzzle when information is scattered across isolated systems. Enforcing stringent security policies and access controls becomes challenging, paving the way for potential data breaches, leaks, and cyber attacks. The fragmented nature of data silos leaves sensitive information vulnerable, posing a serious threat to an organization's integrity. 3. Inefficiency and waste. The duplication of efforts in data within siloed systems leads to the wastage of both time and resources. The vital energy that could be directed towards innovation and growth is lost as teams redundantly work on similar tasks. This inefficiency directly impacts productivity and operational effectiveness, hindering an organization's ability to thrive. 4. Stifled innovation. Innovation thrives on the synthesis of ideas and insights, often drawn from diverse data sources. Data silos, however, create barriers to this synthesis, limiting the potential for discovering valuable connections. The absence of an integrated data landscape stifles innovation, leaving organizations devoid of the fresh perspectives needed to drive progress. 5. Non-compliance risks. Navigating regulatory landscapes becomes a daunting task when data is isolated and fragmented. Many regulations mandate unified data for governance, auditability, and risk management. Failure to integrate data across silos puts organizations at risk of non-compliance, with potential legal and financial repercussions. We start by breaking down the barriers and look at what are the solutions for data silos. The challenges posed by data silos are substantial, but they are not insurmountable. The right combination of data strategy and technology can pave the way for a more connected and efficient future. A holistic data fabric serves as the cornerstone for overcoming data silos. By seamlessly connecting data from various sources, it offers a unified view that fosters deeper insights and informed decision-making. This integration allows organizations to break down the barriers between departments and systems, enabling data to flow freely. Next is to harness the power of data virtualization and automation that will streamline the process of accessing and utilizing data. These technologies eliminate the need for physically moving or copying data, reducing redundancy and ensuring real-time access to accurate information. This is then followed by having a unified analytics platforms that enable organizations to consolidate data analysis efforts. By centralizing tools and techniques, teams can collaborate effectively and extract more value from their data. This approach accelerates the identification of trends, patterns, and opportunities. How we can assist your company to take advantage and improve on. Leveraging on our eCTO services can empower your organizations to unleash the full potential of your data. We can assist to identify real-time data access, self-service analytics, and democratization of insights. By making data readily available to those who need it, organizations can drive efficiency, minimize risks, and foster innovation. In conclusion, the hidden dangers of data silos are undeniable, impacting everything from customer experiences to security and innovation. However, with the right approach, organizations can dismantle these barriers and leverage their data to drive success. A holistic data fabric, coupled with advanced technologies, serves as the key to unlocking the true potential of data. Embracing the power of ECTO will enable your organizations to thrive in an interconnected world, where data flows freely and works as a catalyst for growth. We appreciate your support, so please take a moment to like this video and share it with your network. It helps us reach more people like you.